Hi friends. Let me shut the door, it's freezing. I came across this in one of my cupboards, and I remember this thing here was flopping around like a good one, and that's why it was chucked in the cupboard. Even though it seems like it should work. I've tightened up a few screws. I thought it would be a handy little tool if we could get it going. So I assume you're going to get that on. Something wrong somewhere. Because that wheel just don't want to go where it's supposed to. And that's what this is all about. I got a spring section here. Mind you, this probably cost about a quid. It's a cheap, no offence, Powercraft, but your stuff is, there's a nut on there which shouldn't be on there. Get the blade on, and that just don't want to stay on there. See, it keeps trying to ride. So we gotta take it apart. What it is this mechanism. It just wouldn't suit the job because it's crap. Right, if I take that out, the bearings are alright. I don't see why it shouldn't work. Perhaps it's just pure wear and tear. What I decided to do is to take it all apart, see if I can alter that. So I would rather that standing up. If I can alter that, if it's spinning that way, the nut should be tighter that way, because it's driving into the nut. So yeah, it should be that way. Should be that way, should be that way. I've got another one of these, a bigger one, so I'm going to look for that after. And we'll give that a whirl. I was right, there's 3 screws. So what happens? Take it by surprise, lads, take it by surprise. So, that was quite easy, but there's no way you can get that so it stands up. I want it stood up like that. Sorry, but that's the way I want it, and that's the way I'm going to have it. So, according to my eyesight, which is not the best in the world, you can obviously know that, we got to shift them holes 1/2 inch. That's there. And that's there then. I don't know if you want to watch me. I doubt it. Stay there now. Oh God. Got the old winds again today, lads. Right, let's try it before we buy it. You know, I guess these are also, it's either close or not so close. That is the question. Still not standing straight. It's a lot better. I'm going for it. It's slightly back, but fucking stuff in here. God knows what I used to do back in them days. That goes on there. So it's stood up like that now. Well, that's the only numbers. Always going that way. Next thing, I gotta take that off. We want a bigger one. Right, let's screw that back in and see what happens if it works. I can't see why it wouldn't. Okay, just putting something like that on there. Mark me a centre there, boss. Which is there. Get me one of them silver discs you're always playing with. And give me a marking around. See? See? I want to fit that on there like that. Now we've got two holes to screw into. We've got this one here we can screw onto. And we got that one. And then we can put something on there and then that will give us a bigger bed. Then we do something across that way to hold that, and then we put a bed on top of that. I'm happy with that lot. The song and laughter and the ho. Do you think you are kidding, Mr. Hitler? So now we want something going this way, so we can screw into here with pretty good screws. Alright, that's going on there like that. This wood is laminated, so you've got to take the laminate off, otherwise it won't glue to nothing. And I would like these pieces glued on there, please. I wish you could smell this, because this is old, big dent in it. This is old furniture. The old wardrobes and stuff. And it flipping stinks. Yeah, I'm just doing two little countersinks. If you're gonna move it, you're gonna move it, but I don't think you'd have to move it ever. And that's my opinion. I'm the boss. So that's what we're gonna do. That goes in there, that goes in there. Right, we'll give it a little bit of put that on the floor. Everything I touch gotta go on the floor. Give me a bit of leeway, yeah, about that much. He's sanding down a bit. This stuff is really shite, but you see I got wires and got water. I want to just take that off with the normal grinder, but finish off on here 20 degrees, and as you see, it wouldn't take long with it. I mean, this is a thick bit of stuff, but that's quite nice. By the time you feels nice. By the time you buff that up, I reckon you'd be onto something. Cheers, my friends. Thanks for popping in. It was something I wanted to do. Something done. One less thing off the bucket list to do. So I'll see you soon.